Go ahead.
I'm Doug Marshall from the United Co-op Beaver Dam office, and I'm here to talk about the grain markets of the week of 7/31. For corn, it was down 8 cents for the week. It really continues to trade in a range. We ended up in the lower end of the range. The market is struggling we've lost probably 500 million bushels of ethanol demand, but it's found support because China is buying more for the new crop slot. They've so far, from my unofficial tally, bought about 180 million bushels of corn. So that has offset some of the loss in ethanol, which has sort of kept a bottom to the market. In the meantime, there were ample rains in Illinois and central Indiana, and a lot of the places in the country, with the exception of a few spots in Iowa and Ohio, the corn crop seems to be improving and looking pretty good, which is also keeping pressure on the market. In soybeans, we were down 6 cents for the week. China continues to buy soybeans more for the Sep-Oct period, which is keeping the prices more in the middle of the range, but we're still range bound. Once again, a lot of the critical time for soybeans is August, but a lot of those same areas have got rain. The soybean crop is improving, is the feeling, and that's keeping the China buying is sort of offset by improving crop conditions, keeping the market just going in a sideways range. Last is wheat. Wheat harvest is pretty much over, except for Wisconsin. So we are like the last 5%. Wheat did not have as many acres planted, so you already have mills in places like Michigan and Ohio bidding up for wheat, which is sort of still keeping it range bound. There is not much export business in wheat, but it's keeping wheat from going down from its usual harvest break. Most of the yields of wheat was planted was pretty good, but there wasn't a lot planted, particularly soft wheat in Ohio, Illinois, and so the wheat harvest happened very fast. For that matter, not much planted in Wisconsin either, and it will probably be mostly finished up, I think, in the next couple of days. So wheat too, once again, range bound, and under a little bit of pressure, but not a lot of pressure. So that's it for this week. Good day.